बिरेस्तारा क्रिस्तांव भाविकांनी आवयचो दीस मनयलो. मदर मेरी सायबिणीचे फेस्ताचे फाटभुंयेर क्रिस्तांव भाव हो दीस पाळटात. पुराय गोंयच्या इगर्जांनी मीस आनी वेगवेगळ्या कार्यावळींचें आयोजन केल्लें. अल्डोना इगर्जेंत प्रार्थना सभा जाल्यो. मिसा उपरांत भुरग्यांनी वेगवेगळ्या सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी सादर केल्यो. RDX खातीर अल्डोनेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
John, how was your day today? Only God, I have seen people working for 24 hours without a holiday and the salary. What rubbish! There is no one in this world who would work without the salary. You must be dreaming, Peter. Who are they? They are the mom. She works day and night to see us happy. She is a loving and a caring person who works patiently and we don't value her effort. Yes, you are right. Mom, we love you for all that you do.
तर हेच मारयेचेर आमी नदर घालून न्हयच आयच्या दिसा जेन्ना आमी तिची परब समोर उमता पूण सदांकाळ एकामेका सोबें दोळे लायन काकुतीचे जिवितांत आमी जियोंक आनी दुसऱ्यांकूय देवाची काकूत दिवंक आमी वावरया. सगळ्यांक तुमकां आयच्या दिसाची कुशाल बरी परब हांव येता. मारी आमची माय आम्हा समेस्तांचेर आपले आशिर्वाद घालूं.
Today we are celebrating the Mother's Day. This day is precious to everyone because everyone has come through mother and they are the one who took care of us when we were very little children. But today, if you have got hurt or if you are not keeping well, mother is the one who thinks of you. Even before telling you, she will know what is the problem. As we are today celebrating the Mother's Day, we are also remembering our Mother Mary, whose birth we celebrate today. And she is the one whom we call as a universal mother, mother to all, mother to orphan and mother to everyone.
जेन्ना आमच्या संवसारी आवयचो आमी जोल दीस समरमता तेन्ना आमकां खुशालकाय भोगता. त्याच पासून आयज आमी आमचे सर्गीचे आवयचो जोल समरमता. ह्या सर्गीच्या आवयचे गूण आमी आपणावन करून तिचो भावार्थ आनी विस्वासपण देवाचेर आनीक तिचे सेवेत चाकरेक जिवीत केलेली ते त्या पासत आमी तिचे पासत जावंक आनी तिचे गूण आमच्या आपणावंक आमकां देवाचो आदार आमी मागता. आनीक तुमकां सगल्यांक आयज आवयचो आमच्या जल्माचो दीस खुशालकायेची परब तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटा. देव बरें.